you should always build an email list, right? You will hear business owners, entrepreneurs has an email list or building their email list. Why do you think that is? Right? So that you can always upsell a product that you have created, or you have a new product that you want to push out in front of your existing prospects that you have in your pipeline on your email list. Why do you think companies, businesses, entrepreneurs, online marketers have an email list? It's much more easier to sell a product to a warm prospect or a prospect that is in your pipeline on your email list. Why? You have already built credibility, know, like, and trust. Your potential market buys from you when they know, like, and trust you. So you have already built some kind of credibility whereby your potential market already watched a short form, medium, long form content or a live webinar, and now you are showcasing that you are some kind of the go-to person or the professional or the expert to your niche market that you are trying to serve. So that is the importance on this aspect, to always have multiple products so that you can resell products and upsell products to existing clients.